When the Soviet Union invaded Finland in the freezing winter of 1939, one quiet farmer grabbed his old bolt-action rifle, white camouflage, and some bread, and slipped into the snow. His name was Simo Häyhä. The Soviets would remember him as the White Death. Häyhä wasn't tall, he wasn't loud. He didn't even use a scope. He preferred iron sights, so sunlight wouldn't glint and give him away in the snow. Temperatures dropped below 40 degrees Celsius, but he lay motionless for hours, packing snow in front of his rifle to hide muzzle flash and keeping snow in his mouth so his breath wouldn't fog. Day after day, Soviet troops kept falling. One shot, one kill, no chatter, no movement. In just about 100 days, Häyhä racked up over 500 confirmed kills. Some estimates go even higher when including unconfirmed counts, making him the deadliest sniper in recorded history. Soviet forces tried artillery barrages, counter-snipers, even mortars. He kept coming back. Finally, in March 1940, a Soviet exploding bullet tore through his jaw. Everyone assumed he was dead, until he woke up on the day the war ended. After reconstructive surgeries, he returned to life as a hunter and dog breeder, never bragging about what he'd done. A quiet man, a simple rifle, a legend carved in ice. If you want more unbelievable true stories from history, hit like and subscribe.